Hey there, I've been putting a new vanity in at home, and I just put in a new Kohler drain and it was started leaking. I couldn't get the lock on the bottom tight enough. Well, let me flip this around and I'll show you what I did. So this is the drain that I'm putting in. It's just a pop-up drain, and I could not get this tight enough, and so water was leaking out of the top here. And so I went and got my ratchet strap and then put a little bit of dish soap on the top. I think what was happening is the plastic was rubbing with the rubber and it just wouldn't go in right. But now with the ratchet strap, I'm able to get it to turn more. Couldn't do any more by hand, and then with the soap, it's allowing it to slide kind of like a lubricant, and then the soap will dry after a while and it won't be slippery anymore. But now I think it should be good. It's way tighter than it was before. It's actually one of the first times that I've used this tool. I found it on Amazon, but that worked great. So if you have trouble doing something similar, try the dish soap trick as a liquid lubricant that'll dry out. And then you can either use kind of like the lock channel pliers, which I didn't want to use, and so I went and got this ratchet strap, figuring I'd give it a shot. Anyways, that's my trick for the day.